Bubs here, and today we're gonna be chatting with some birds.
Hi, buddy.
Hello. Look at this guy.
How's it going?
He's cute.
Hello. Hi.
Let's see if he goes for the finger. He looks young. Let's get him from here. Hello.
Hello.
Now we're here with the lovebird. Hello, little buddy. Hi. Hello. Let's see if he goes for my finger. I don't even know if flappy little birds. Hello, sun conure. Flip. Do a flip. Do a flip, little guy. Do a flip. Hello, guys. Hello. Jingles is your name. Bye-bye, birdies. Bye-bye. Bye. And bye, Jingles. Ooh, guinea pigs. These things are fun. Which one do these? Yeah, look at this one. They seem interested in the camera. They're all looking at it. What is it? I don't know what it is. There's a tortoise. See? Look at him. So we have this little guy.
There's a snake somewhere.
This is a Pac-Man frog. Shove it up.
Hi. Well, look at the snake shed its skin. Yeah, no.
Oh, thank you for watching VW Bubs. Subscribe for more, and peace.
Hello everyone, and thank you for watching VW Bubs. These are my shoutouts, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesomeness. Bye.